Hello friends, I'm here with a new video on how to create a free, fully functional real estate website with WordPress using Real Homes theme and Elementor. My name is Vakar and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Coding with Vakar. This is the website that we will design and learn. In this video, you will learn how to create fully functional real estate website step by step. You will learn how to design and customize homepage with free drag and drop page builder Elementor. You will learn how to create and upload new properties, how to add new agents, how to add feature properties and add property types, locations, statuses, agencies and agents. Also, you will learn how you guys can create the Google Map API key to show your business on Google Map. Also, I will teach you how you guys can embed Google Map into your property listing or on your website. The best thing of this video is you don't need to have any coding or web development experience. This tutorial is very helpful for everyone, either you are a beginner or you have some web development experience. By watching this tutorial, you add more skills in your profile. Also, you don't need to spend money on purchasing the themes because I am giving the free themes and plugins. You will find the coupon code in the video to download this theme totally free. To take the full advantage from this video, do watch this video from start to end because every part of this video is very helpful to you guys. So get your favorite food and start watching this tutorial. Before starting, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Coding with Vakar and hit the like and bell icon button. If you guys want to watch the more tutorials on how to create a real estate website with houses theme, you can find it on my YouTube channel. Also, if you want to watch the how to create a e-commerce website with Rehub or Modfurry theme, you can watch the complete tutorial on my YouTube channel. Let's get started. This is our WordPress dashboard, normally called the admin panel. This is the place or area where we manage our website setting. On your left you can see the options like dashboard, home, updates. Let's explore these options. Whenever you click the or hit the dashboard button, it will redirect to main page of your admin panel. In home section we have an option of updates. Whenever we have update of any plugin or theme, it will be shown here. In post section we manage our blogs and manage their categories and tags. In media section we manage our images and videos and other media forms. In pages we manage our all pages like home page, about us, contact us and shop pages, and other pages like privacy and terms and conditions. In comment section we manage our comments. Whenever your customer, your visitor comment on your particular post or any product or any area of your website, it will be shown here. You can manage in this section. In appearance we have option of themes. Currently we don't have any installed theme. This is the fresh copy of the WordPress. That's why we have only two options, themes and editor. Once we have installed the theme, then we have lots of more options like appearance, widgets, menus. It will be shown here. In plugins, we have option of install plugins and add new plugins. This is the area or place where we install all the plugins. Basically, plugin is the snippet of the code. It will add some functionalities into your existing theme or website. In user section, we manage our users, create new user, and manage their profile. If your customer requests to delete his or her account, you can easily delete it from here. In tools, we have option of import and export and site health. You can manage and track your site health, that it is working good or not. Then we have settings. In settings, we have general, writings, reading, permalink, and this is the light speed cache plugin option. Then we have by default the hosting server that I am using, it provide the light speed cache plugin for fast loading. On your top right, you can see there is a edit profile option. Just click this edit profile. You can choose the admin color scheme, light or modern, blue, coffee color, or midnight, ocean. Whatever the theme you like, you can choose it from here. Let's go with the coffee or blue. Let's go with the ocean color. Then we have an option of first name, last name. You cannot change the username. If you want to update the email address, you can change it from here. You can add the biography. You can add your own picture from the wordpress.com. Just go to this link. Then if you want to set the new password, you can choose it from here. Then just click update profile. Then go to the settings, then click permalinks. By default, we have the option of day and time permalinks. Permalinks are the URL or appearance of your website on your Google or in search bar address. By default, it's set to the day and name. You can see the real estate coding with the vacar.com, then today's date and sample post. It is not looking good and easier for your viewers to read it. Just click to the post name, then it will be easily name your post like whatever post you have, it will be shown here. Like we have a privacy and policy page. It says the URL of your website, then slash privacy, then slash contact us page. Also, it will help your website to rank easily or higher on Google. Just like post name, then click save changes. Let's download our real estate theme, Real Homes. Go to the website codingwithvacar.com. Once you have landed to this page, then click to the shop page. Here is our theme, Real Homes Estate Sale and Rental WordPress theme. Just click to the add to cart button. Then go to the checkout page. By default, it is showing that its cost is $9, but if you use the coupon code of this, you will get this theme totally free. Just click apply coupon. Now you can see the $9 amount has been removed. Make sure you have filled this form correctly and right. Once you have filled this form, download the theme and then go to your WordPress dashboard. I have already downloaded this theme. Let's go to the appearance, then click themes, then click add new. in this area you manage your WordPress themes. You can also install free version given by the WordPress. Just click upload theme, then click choose file. Before uploading the file, go to the folder where you have downloaded the theme. Here is one thing you have to care about. This is not the main file of theme. The main file of the theme has been included in this rar file. Just right click, then unzip this file. It has been seen that from my previous videos, everyone asking that the theme uploading has been crashed or failed, because many of the viewers are uploading the package file. Once you have unextract this file, you will have these two folders. Just go to this folder rh main package, then here is the main file and real homes child theme. Just select this option and go to your website, then click choose file, then go to the folder where you have unzip the theme file, then select this theme file real homes, click open, then click install now. Now our theme has been installed successfully. Click activate. Once you have installed the theme or activate the theme, you can see lots of more new options are showing on your left side. Just go to the dashboard, then you can see, then you have an option of begin installing plugins. Just click this option, begin installing plugins, then check to this option. It will select all the required plugins, then click select the bulk action to install, then click apply. It will install all the plugins in bulk, then click to the return to required plugins installer. Then again select all the plugins, then this time select to the activate, then click apply. It will activate all the plugins in bulk. Now our plugins activated successfully. Then just click return to the dashboard. On your left side, go to the option appearance, then click import demo data. For learning and testing purpose, we are going with the demo data. Once we have import the demo data, then we learn how to customize the demo data, how real home developers made this content, and you can easily manage all the settings and replace all the content with your own content. Just scroll down, then here is the all demos. Just click to the elementor, then we have the modern elementor, modern elementor 3. Whatever the demo data you like, you can go with it. Let's go with the import demo data. For the modern elementor, just click import demo, then click continue and import. Importing demo contents also depend on your service response time, your hosting provider, and your internet speed. Just wait, the demo data is importing. Now you can see the demo content has been installed successfully. Just click visit site. Now you can see all the demo content has been imported successfully. First we have our logo, then we have menu option, then WhatsApp, then user account. In background we have slider images. In the foreground we have contact form, let us call you, or we have a property search option, then we have properties, then we have featured properties option, then we have option of for sale, check out latest properties, then for rent, then we have some tags with two buttons with a background image, then we have our agents, our teams, then we have news and updates. This section is coming from the blog area. Then we have amazing features, test feature for elementor, from elementor, then looking for more, get in touch, this is called the call to action, then our partners. In the last we have our footer. This is the property. This property is by this agent Melissa William. Go to the website, close the extra tabs, go to your website dashboard, then hover on easy real estate, then scroll down to the settings. Here is the place or area where we manage our property settings. You can choose the currencies assign, whatever country you belong you can enter that country currency sign. I'm from Pakistan. Then we have option of PKR or RS. I think PKR is good. Then you have option of its position, before the number or after the number, then decimal points, point separator, thousand separator, then empty price tags, then click save changes. Then we have an option of URL slugs. These are the URL slugs of your properties or agency, like property 1 or whatever the slug you want to add. Just click the text, then click save changes. Then you can edit the agent slug, and whatever the slug you want to add you can add. I recommend you go with the default setting because it is already set to the best version by the real homes developers. Then we have a maps. In map section we have Google Maps API key, then Google Maps style JSON optional, or Google localized Google Map. Let's learn how to generate or add Google Map API key. Before going further, make sure you have already login with an Gmail account. Then search for the Google Map API key. Then once you have searched this option, go to the use API keys with geocoding API. Go to this option. Then click go to the credential page. Then select your desired country where you belongs. Then check to the agreements, and if you want to receive the emails for updates, you can check it. Then click agree and continue. Then click create project. Then you have to enter your project name, like my real estate website, or whatever the website of you have or website name you have, you can enter it. You can also enter your own name. Then you can choose its organization name. Then click create. Now you can see the project has been created successfully. Then go to the option API key. Or then click create credentials, then click API key. Now it is creating the API key for our Google Map service to integrate the map into our website. Just copy the API key, then go to your dashboard, enter the API key that we have just created, then click save changes. Then we have Google Map style JSON, leave it the same. Then we have default address for the property. Then search for your desired address or enter your desired address. I am entering Karachi or Pakistan. Then you can also add the latitude or longitude from your current location. You can enter the Google Map latitude and longitude for your current location. Just go to the Google Map and enter your desired city or country, then search for the latitude and longitude, then click save changes. Then we have a reCAPTCHA option. If you want to add reCAPTCHA, you can enable it. Then you can enter your site key, then go to your social. In the social section, you can enter your social pages from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. If you want to show or hide, you can choose the setting from here. Then we have option of social login settings. I will create additional or separate video for this, how you can easily enable Facebook login or Google login for your website or applications as well. Then go to the GDPR. You can show the checkbox from across the website. Check to the yes or no. You can enter the agreement text. You can enter the agreement checkbox text. Just go to the save changes. You can set your own settings. Then go to the property. Then we have enable auto generated property ID. Whenever you add or create property, it will generate auto ID for your property. Then these are the energy performance certificate classes for your property. Let's go to the any property. Then just scroll down. Now you can see it is showing that energy is to the A category. Then we have the property analytics. Collect property analytics data if you want to add or disable, you can choose it from here. Chart type, line or bar. Then we have webhooks. Leave the webhooks section. I recommend you don't go with additional settings if you are beginner or new. Now we have successfully go through the settings and add how to generate and add Google Map API key. Just go to the partners tab. Now we have by default, when we have import the data, it also import the partners, Adobe Home, the Capital. You can add more, or you can easily enter or edit it. The URL of your partner's website, you can enter it here. Then you can add its feature image or the logo of your partner. Then go to the agents. Then we have the 4 agents: Nathan James, Melissa William, Elias Brand and John David. You can add more, or you can just edit the default one. Here is the name of your agent. Then we have option of enter its biography or biodata description. You can enter it and add more text or delete text. If you add more links, like you are trying to impose the globally, you just click to the B button, it will be bold. Then if you want to make some text italic, just select this text, then check to the this I button. If you want to the add permalinks or any links, just click to the this link button, then enter the website or URL of that website like this. codingwithwaqar.com. Then click to the settings, then click open new tab, then click update. This is how you can add the permalinks or backend links. If you want to add the image, you can just click to this add media section, then go to the media library, or you can add more images from your system. Then scroll down, then we have contact information, mobile number, office number and WhatsApp number. Then we have a website and its address, ABC Road, Karachi. Then its email address, mark as verified or no. Then its license number, then its agency. Let's go to the social page. You can also add its social account, so it will be more authenticated to your end user that the agent is right or legal. He or she can visit the agent profile and know about the more detail about the agent. Just copy the URL of your agent or then paste it here. Then scroll down to the agent. Then we have a featured image. You can enter the agent image from library, or you can upload the more. Just click update. This is how you can add or create the agents. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Then we have option of agencies. You can notice that I am going with from bottom settings to top, because in top settings we have properties and new properties. We have to add these settings, that's why all the settings options will shown in while we create or upload new property. Then we have already done with the partners and settings. Then we have option of agencies. In agencies we have gems, estate agents, allies, estate. You can add more or you can edit the default one. It's like the same when we are adding the agents. You can enter the name here, then we have the option of description, then we have contact details, phone number, mobile, office number, WhatsApp, website and address. You can also add its social accounts. Then in agency tab we have the agency logo image. You can add according to you or your business. Then we have option of banner title, revolution slider. Then go with the default setting, click update, then again go to the dashboard. Then we have property statuses. By default we have to status for rent or for sale. You can also add more status like for construction. You are buying the property for construction, then it will be sale, and for you are buying the property for shops or parking area. Let's add the for construction. By default in property we have only two options, either we rent the property or room, either we sell or purchase. Let's try the for construction selling. Whatever the property status you have, you can enter it, then click add new property status. Then we have property locations. By default we have these property location. You can also add more according to your real estate business. Let's add the Punjab or Sindh, whatever the parent category you have, you can enter it. Let's add Lahore, then select its parent category to Punjab. Whenever someone select the Punjab category or property location as Punjab, all the categories in this section will be shown here, like Lahore and particular areas of the Lahore. It will be shown all the categories in this section of the property. Then click add new property location. You can also add more option like this. Then we have the property types. In office type you can see we have the option of commercial, office, shop, residential, apartment or villa. You can also add more like car parking or cricket ground. Whatever the property type you have, you can add it here according to your real estate business. Then we have property features. In property features we have the options of 2 stories, bike path and central cooling, like seafront. You can add more features according to your business, like we have free air conditioned. Just click add new properties feature. Finally, we have the option of new property option. Just go to the new property option. Let's enter your property name, like green apartments, or whatever the heading or text you have of your real estate business. You can enter it, and you can enter its text or description, like this is the best property in Pakistan, or whatever the country or city you have, you can enter it. I'm giving this demo content lorem ipsum. Just copy and paste it twice. So it will increase the length and look more attractive. Then we have the sale or rent price or old price. You can enter it like 50,000 or 1 lakh. You have to enter only digits like this. I am giving the amount in PKR. You can enter the amount in dollar, whatever the currency you have. You can enter it according to your business or real estate options. Then we have sale price of 90,000. Then price prefix or price postfix. Area size is 100 square feet or whatever the 1000 square feet, you can add it. Then lot size and area size, let's add the 400 or 4000. I am giving the fake data or fake measurements for learning and testing purpose. You can add according to your business. Let's add the bedrooms, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Then garage or parking space, property ID, it will be generated automated. Area built in 2022 or whatever the year in which the area has built it. You can add this property as featured. Then additional details like swimming pool, its value is 40,000 or whatever the amount of your additional details. You can add it. You can add more. Then we have the location on map. Then by default it is set to the Karachi, Pakistan. You can enter your own city. Then if you hide the map property detail page listing light box, you can choose it from here. Then we have a gallery images. Click to the add media. Let's select these images. Press Ctrl button, then press the images. It will select the multiple images. Then click select. Then we have floor plans, like ground floor or first floor. You can enter it, you can enter its description, square feet, area, and it has 4 rooms, like whatever the description it has according to your business, you can enter it. Then floor price, you can enter it here. Then 4 bedrooms and 3 washrooms or bathrooms. Then floor plan image, you can select it from here. Whatever the image you have, you can enter it like this. Then we have property video, you can add more image, or you have, if you have the 362 video tour, you can embed the code or short code from and place it here. Then we have agent information. These are all the agents are coming from the agent section, you can choose it here. Then we have information of the agents. Then we have energy performance, energy class is A plus or B, C, D, you can choose it from here. Energy performance, whatever the electricity it's providing, 100 kilowatt or 50 kilowatt, you can choose it according to your business. Then 92 or 96. Then it's MISC, property label tax, top trending like, or top viewing. If you add the property tax, you can add it from here. If you want to add this property sticky for home and listing, you can just option this yes. And then we have homepage slides, then slider images. You can choose the images from here, and you can upload more images from your system. Then we have top banner, the hide search form in header, by default it's set to no. Then in property section we have the templates, or this is the same like whenever we have created or making the e-commerce website. Once we have create and upload the product, then we have option of selecting the categories, tags. These are the same options as selecting the categories. Select the property features like bike path, central cooling, and we have free air condition that we have just created. Then we have property types, car parking or commercial, residential, apartment, whatever the property listing or property type you have, you can choose it, and you can add more from here as well. And then select its property type. Then we have the property locations from the given option like Punjab and Lahore. Then we have the option of property status like for rent or for sale. Then we have the option of feature image. Let's check to this. Then click set feature image, then leave the other option as same, then click publish. Then click view property. Now you can see there is a option of 404 because we have changed the property slug before. Let's change it to the property default. Now you can see the property is showing correctly. Green apartment, its location, it is the search bar from website default settings. Then here is the slider images of your apartments, then its author, then this is the best property in Pakistan, Laura Mapson, the dummy tags. Then it has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, 2 parking areas, construction built in. The 2022 area is 1000 square feet, lot size is 400. Then we have the additional details of swimming pool. Feature is bike path, central cooling, we have free conditioned. Then here is the featured image. Then we have the energy option of A+ grade. Now we have successfully create and add new property in our website. Let's go to your website or admin panel, then go to the dashboard. The main and best part of this theme Real Homes is creating the property by the additional features, like features of adding the swimming pools and other features, or property locations, status, agencies and agents, partners. You can add all the things according to your business and your requirements. Let's hover on Real Homes, then click to the customize settings. Here is the option of site identity. You can add your site logo here, and you can also set the logo for mobile, then retina image. Then we have option of site icon. Site icon is the place or normally called the fav icon as well. Let's change the logo. You can upload your own logo and you can find it from the media library as well. Let's try this. Let's try this image, then click publish, then click this pen button. Just refresh the page to change the updates. Or go to your home page. Now you can see the logo has been changed, but it's not looking that much attractive or beautiful because the background is transparent. You can choose according to yourself, but it's better than the default text of Real Homes. Then we have option of styles. Let's again go to the site identity and this time add the site icon. Let's try this. You can also upload your own. I'm going with the demo content. Then it will be look like this. You can see the fav icon has been changed. You can change site title, whatever the business name you have, you can enter it. Then you have tagline, then just click publish and back, then go to the styles. Here is the background image of the default layout. Here is the default or custom styles. my own custom colors or default theme colors. You can choose according to you. Then here is the core colors of the theme. By default it is set to the orange color. You can choose from here your own color. Let's add to this green and more darker. Then scroll down to the dark green. Now you can see the color has been changed from feature and slide as well. Then just click publish, come back again. Then we have an option of typography. By default we have Google font for primary headings. Default font is set to the Abize. You can choose according to you. Whatever the text font family you like, you can choose it from here. Let's add B1. Here you can choose the theme default form for headings and for tags, for body tags as well. You can see the heading has been changed. Then we have a header option. Header banner background color is black. You can change it like this, or let's try this golden. It is very super cool, easy steps. You can spend the time around and you can learn more and more skills. Let's change the logo text color, logo text hover color, then main menu text color. You can choose it from here. Here is the main menu text hover color. Let's have the sticky header. Come back. Then we have option of slider. Then we have banner and home page property item. You can choose your according to your styling. You can place the text and color according to you. I'm going with the default settings. Here is the button option. You can set the color button as well from here. Let's go to the footer. Here is the color of footer background. You can choose from here as well, like this, or more darker. Let's go to the default, then click publish, come back. Then we have floating features, compare properties. These are the option of setting the colors. Let's go to the menu option. We will add the menu later. Just go back. Then we have the header option or footer. Then we have the footer logo option or text layout. Go to the footer logo option. You can choose the footer image from here. Let's add this image. Then you can hide and show the tagline. This is the tagline that are coming from this part. Let's add buy your dream home, then click publish. Then we have option of text. Here is the copyright text. You can edit from here like this. You can credit to yourself or your company as well. Let's copy the URL of your website or your developer. Then click publish. Then come back and you can set its layout 3 columns, 2 columns or 4 columns. Let's check to the 4 columns. These options are coming from the menu or widgets. Go to your widget section. Then we have here is the widget option. Here is the footer, first column, home page, half map layout or blog. You can add or remove this section and add more menus from here. Here is the footer, second column, third column and fourth column. Just go back, then go to the properties search option. Here is the option of searching the properties, what you can search in search bar of the property. Here you can manage all the setting for this section from this part of the page. Search from basic, search from locations. You can select the options according to you, whatever you are showing on customer end, like property location, property status, type, minimum beds and baths. Then you have search property types, enable multi-select for property types fields like this, all locations or Miami. Then we have property status, property type as well. Then we have property detail page setting, banner, breadcrumbs, sections manager, content, additional details, common note features. You can manage all the settings from here. Here is the option of floor plan. We have already seen this while uploading the properties. Let's go back. When we importing the demo content, we have already import the all setting of the theme. The real home themes developer have already done the best version of website for us. You have just import the demo data and replace with your own content and properties. Then all the setting will be applied automatically, and you don't need to spend too much or more time to set up the settings for your store, your real estate themes. Just click to the back button. Then here is the contact page option, header variation. Then we have a email option. You can choose the email template. In the last we have a option of additional CSS if you want to custom styling to your business or your website, you can add it from here. Let's go to the dashboard, click publish. Let's go to the appearance and create our menu. Here is the option of appearance, then click menu. You can add and manage the setting according to your business and your needs. Whatever the menu item or tabs you want to show, you can choose it from here. Select the main menu, then click select. Here is the menu that are coming from this part of the website. Let's click to remove, then let's delete this menu and create new one. Here is the option of creating the new menu. Enter your menu name, main menu, then click main menu and responsive, then click create menu. Then enter the pages like home page, let's add the property widget elementor. Let's click to the view all, then select front-end page and blogs, then contact us and FAQs, then click add to menu, then click save menu. Here is the option of setting up your FAQs. You can manage and add or remove frequently asked question by your customers. You can choose it from here like this. Just go to the FAQs question, just purge all to change the settings that we have just applied. You can enter the tags and answer of that question from here. Let's go to your website. Here is the option or FAQs. Let's go to the widget section, then you can manage the post and sidebars of the FAQs and other pages from here. Here is the page sidebars, property sidebar. Let's close the extra tabs. Let's find out this widget FAQs. You can set its sidebar option. Scroll up. Here is the option that are showing on the real estate FAQs page, archives and categories, and all the agents shown there is coming from that part of the page. You can add or remove it from here. Just click the agent, then add number of agents 3. Go to your website. The menu font family is not looking good. Let's change it to the default. Go to the section customize, then select the styling and typography. Go to the styles, then select typography, then go to the default theme typography for heading, then click publish. Now we have successfully gone through the theme setting and theme options, how to edit the color, typography and styling, and search bar option, how to add and remove FAQs, and you can add the sidebars, and how to add and remove the menu option and menu text. Let's purge all the cache. Let's change this phone number. Just click to this pen button. Here is the option of changing the email address or phone number. You can place the icon of phone and WhatsApp as well. You can enter the text, phone number and email address from here. Just click publish, then go to your website. Let's customize our home page. Just click edit with Elementor. Let's scroll down our home page, then Elementor is a page builder to design and develop fully responsive and elegant design website for your customer, and you can develop your own website as well. It is very super cool, easy. You can just drag and drop the template or widgets and change its styling and add the color and fonts. The widget is ready and ready to used. Just click open this option. If you're familiar with HTML or CSS, or if you're not familiar with these options, you can understand like a home example. Whenever we make or construct our home through HTML, we create the structure of the website, and with the help of CSS we design our home and make the valuable and door moving, windows moving, and with the help of JavaScript we tell the behavior of the door and windows. In Elementor, every widget have three structure or three options. Whenever you hit or select the any section or widget in Elementor, like this, you can see on the left side there will be three options: layout, style and advanced. In layout we define the structure of the particular widget or section. In styling we add its coloring, designing. In advanced we have margin and padding, animations and motion effects, add custom CSS. Let's add these are all options coming from the theme option of the website that we have already checked this. In this section with the Elementor, we have first option of the recent properties style. If you are unable to see this navigator, just right click this option, then here is the option of navigator. You can easily navigate all the settings from the properties from here. We have a recent properties style. Let's learn first the widgets. Whenever we install every theme or like free themes or paid themes that made with Elementor, it will be added some templates in Elementor widgets. You can see on your left side there are basic Elementor widgets, intersection, headings, divider, space, Then we have a pro version of Elementor, gallery, nav menu, animated headlines, call to action. Then we have general options of image box. Then we have site. Then these are the widgets designed and developed by the real home developers for us that are interacted with the Elementor page builder. You can choose from here according to your business required and needs. Let's learn some of the core functionalities and functions of the Elementor. Just click these dots and then click this plus button to add the section, or you can add the save templates from the previous video, previously saved templates from here. Let's click to this plus button, then click this plus button. Then by default we have 6 column in one section, or 2, 3, you can choose according to you. Let's take this 2 column for this time. Then close this navigator. Now we have an option of defining the layout of this section, boxed or full width. You can stretch or unstretch. If you select the stretch section, it will stretch to the size of your Windows or laptop screen. Then we have column gap too. You can select from here no gap, then change it to the boxed. You can define its height or minimum height, fit to screen, whatever the setting you like, you can choose it from here. Let's try the minimum height of 400. Then we have structures 50/50, 33 by 66. By default it is divided, it takes the 100% of the section. Now we have 2 columns each of 33 and 66. If you set to the 50/50, it will divide it completely by 50/50. Then we have 66 and 33. You can also define your own just by going to this column. You can add its column spacing and it will be changed according to your particular requirements. Let's go to the section setting, then set to the 50/50. Then we have an option of style. In style we have option of background overlay, border, shape divider and typography. Let's add the background image. You can also add the gradient color. Let's first add the simple color like this, or you can add the gradient color like this. You can change from here as well. And let's try the black, and in this part let's check to the green. Then we have the video. If you have any video from YouTube, you can paste the link here, or you can add from your media section as well. Then we have a slider show. You can add the slider images as well from here. Let's add this image, then this. Press Ctrl then plus click this option, it will select in bulk. Then click create a new gallery, then click insert gallery. Now you can see the images has been added into the slider. Let's add the background overlay. Background overlay add the foreground color into the above the background image. That will easy to help for the show text on the foreground. Let's try this example. Let's add this. Then let's try the gradient as well. You can choose it from here like this. Then let's go to the black, and this for green or something else like blue. I think blue is looking more attractive and beautifully. Let's add some heading and tags into our widgets or into our section. Here is the heading. Now you can see whenever we add the heading, it also open 3 option: content, styling, advanced. In advanced we add our headings. Make your dream home. If you want to link this tag heading, you can paste the link and add its setting like this. Just copy the URL and paste it here and apply its setting. Open in new tab and custom attributes. Then we have HTML tag. By default in HTML we have 6 headings, h1 to h6. You can choose it from here. Let's go with the h1 or h2. Then its alignment: left, right, center. Let's go with the left. Then go to the style option. In style option we have option of change its color, typography and strokes. Let's add its color to white. Then we have an option of typography. Then let's add it to be bold. Here is the font weight. You can also change its styling from normal, italic, oblique. Then we have option of decoration, overline, underline. Then we have transform of uppercase, lowercase. Then we have letter spacing. You can add, it will add the spacing in your heading. Then we have word spacing. It will add the space in words. Let's go with the default settings. Let's check this. Let's go to the widget section and add the divider. Divider adds the horizontal line. In HTML we have a HR tag that adds the line. This is the same as the HR tag. You can add it according to you, its styling. Then go to its color to white, then gap. Then you can add its weight. Then you can also add its text here. If you want to add the text in between the lines, the text will be added. Then if you want to add the icon, the icon will be added, and you can choose more icons from icon library. Let's go with the default setting with none. Then go to the advanced and set its margin to the -10 or 20. Then go to the widget section again. Then add the text editor. Then click navigator. Then drag and drop the divider above the text editor. Then select text and change its color to white as well, so it will be visible, and change its text size to 16. Then go to the widget section again and search for the button. Here is the option of button setting. You can enter its define its type, info, success, warning and danger, and its text from here, like read more. You are trying to redirect the customer to read your about us page, about your company, or contact us page. You can paste the URL. Then you have option of its sizing, small, medium or large. You can add SVG. Then you can option of add its icon library. Whatever the icon you want to add, you can add it from here. Let's insert this icon. Then we have option of icon position before and after. Then you can add its color and styling from styling tab. And then background color to the classic and set to the, I think, white or blue. Let's try this color. You can define its border type to solid and its color here, like white or black. Whatever the border color you like, you can enter it here. Insert it radius like this. And then we have a box shadow. If you want to add shadow behind the background, let's change its color to white and its opacity to more darker so it will be visible. Then click update. Let's add the text color to white. The color didn't change. The text color is not changing, maybe some cache problem or other thing. Don't worry about this. If you once you refresh the page, it will be updated successfully. Then we have successfully designed the header or end section with core and free widgets of Elementor. You can also make it to the landing page section instead of the default setting font that is coming from the home page. Then we have another option of adding images. Then like you can choose it from here as well. Just select two columns and stretch these sections. Then add image box, or you can also add the icon box as well. Here you can choose the image, like you want to show the information about the author or the agent or particular company or provider, just like that image. Then we have heading. You can make it to the meet or agent John or whatever the agent name you have, you can enter it. Then you can enter its description. Then you can choose its position, center, top, left, right, and what should its heading size. You can choose it from here. You can also add the link. Then we have a style option. In a style option, you can manage the spacing between image and the text. Then we have image width. You can choose like this as well. Then we have image border radius. Let's try to the 20. You can see the image corner has been rounded, or you can add border as well, border type, so it will be visible more. You can enter its width, top, right, bottom and left, like this. Then you have option of change the border color, red or something like this. You can also add the white color as well. Let's change it to the blue. Then we have hover animation. Whenever someone hover this image, it will grow or shrink like this. This is the hover animation. Let's try the grow effect, and let's change the border color to black, and you can change its opacity of CSS filters, transition duration. Then we have option of content. In content, set the designing of the heading and text. You can choose the spacing between title and the description. Then we can change its color, and click update. You can also add the Google map like this. Just drag and drop the Google map and enter the location like Lahore. Now you can see the Lahore location has been added successfully. Whatever the country or city you are belong, you can just paste the Google map and you can use it, and you can also set its height as well. Let's go with this. We have lots of free widgets in Elementor basics. Icon, space bar, it add the space. Then this is the pro version. Then we have it in general, image carousel, basic gallery, icon list, progress bar, tabs and social media. You can also choose it from here. If you guys are having problem with the adding Google map or something else, you can also do like this. And let's try the another or easiest way of adding Google map. Just open the Google map, then search any location you want to add, like Karachi or something else. Then after searching the particular location, then just click to the share button. Then click to the embed a map, then copy the HTML, then come back to the website and this time select the HTML. You can find this widget in the general option of Elementor. Just drag and drop into the empty section and column, then paste the embedded code from Google Map. Now you can see the map has been embedded successfully. You can enter your current location as well. This is the free and easiest way of showing your location on Google Map to your customer or your visitors. You can also manage it height from here as well, like this, and you can also change its width from this point like this, or you can also reduce more size. Let's delete this section and go to your home page. try the widgets that are given by the real homes theme. Just close this. Here's the real home themes widget layouts. You can choose it. You can also select this pan button, then it will be selected and all the setting of particular widget open in your left side. You can see top title, text, recent, and main title is properties. Description is checkouts for some our latest properties. You can manage its typography from here. Top title color, you can choose it from here, and its font family as well, like 12 or something else, and change its designing to font family to Verdena. Then we have main title. In style, we have option of changing the colors like this, or whatever the color you want to change, you can change according to your requirement. Then we have the section. In this section we have a properties listing. Here is the property grid 2. There are layouts set to the 3 columns. You can also add more columns like 4. Then you can add properties from the feature property and property types. These are the filters by you can set the properties by filter. Then we have an option of add property by locations. You want to show the properties from particular city or place, you can choose that city or the place. Then the all properties shown from that category. Currently we only have one property from the Lahore, that's why it is showing only one category. You can show properties according to you. Then we have another lots of options. Show only feature properties, sticky properties, and tags. You can check to this option to no or yes to check its functionality. Then we have featured properties. In feature properties we have the properties carousel. You can see if you added feature properties carousel. Then we have the properties for added properties grid 3. It is the same like the above. Then we have for rent. Then we have the section with the added properties grid. In we have and submit button and browse properties. This section called call to action. Then we have an option of buy or sell top title. Then main title is here. Then we have first button and second button title. Here is the background image, you can enable it. Then we have the background size, contain or auto. Then we have typography option. In typography we set the title of main title, first button, second button, and in style we have option of change its color and spacing. Then we have agents carousel or agent section. In agent we have the agent grid, what functionalities and contact details you want to share of agents, office number, agency name. Then all the contact details will be shown here. You can choose it from according to your business requirements. Then we have news and updates. This part is coming from the blogs. Then we have some image box or icon box. We have already seen these options. Another call to action, you can choose it according to you and your business. Then we have partners. These are the partners that are coming from the partners logos. Then we have the footer. We have already seen footer. Let's go to your website. Let's learn how to add and create blogs for your business. If you have any news about your particular construction or about your rental home properties, you can just post and blog, and you can tell in that blog that what is the update for your business and what is the percentage of work has been done for particular ground or construction, how many rooms and bedrooms are ready. These are the blogs and sections. You can manage it from here. Let's create another post or new blog. Just click the new button, add new. Then you can enter its title like green villas or something else. Like you can also edit with elementor. Let's click to the schedule button, then go to the publish immediately, then select any previous date. Now click again to publish, then click edit with elementor. With the help of elementor page builder, you can also create and make blogs on elementor. Let's first add the image. Just drag and drop it here. Let's add this image, then add new section, then enter two columns, then add the heading, then name your heading and select it tag h3. Let's buy your dream home. Then again we have an option of add the divider, then we have its width, then we have option of adding the text. This is how you can easily create and make the blog post for your business, your real estate work. Then you can add button or add any property like this. Search for the property, It is not coming completely because the property section or widget is larger than the column width. Let's try another option. Let's delete this column, then duplicate this section, then delete this, then we have an option of adding the progress bar, how much work has been done on the property area. Like this, that construction %70 work has been done. You can also show and hide the percentage. This is how you can add and create the blog post. Just go to your dashboard. This is how you guys can create and make your real estate website for your business. Let's go to the plugin section and make our website unhackable and add security. By default we have two plugins, anti-spam or hello dolly. Just check this button and click to delete because it's not required for us. Then click add new. Then search for the wordpress. wordpress is a free and very good plugin for making your website secure. You can say it has active 4+ million installations. Just click activate. Then enter the email address here where you received the updates from the wordpress about your website security. Then click no and continue or whatever the then click no thanks. Then go to your dashboard. Then click to configure the firewall. Let's download this .htaccess file. If something went wrong, we can manage the re-upload the .htaccess file, so our website will be reduced to normal functionality. Just click download htaccess. Make sure you have downloaded this file at the safe place. Maybe you require to re-upload this htaccess file. Then just click continue. Then our brute force attack protection and other security has been applied successfully. Now we have successfully learned how to create and make real estate website with real homes themes. We learn how to create and manage our properties at location, status, featured properties and search options. Then we have learned how to add and remove the background images, and we go through the elementor page builder and add this section. We add the agent page, then we go through the properties as well. Then we learn how to create and make the Google Map API key for your business. I must say you guys have learned something from this tutorial. If you guys have any question or any confusion from this video, you can ask me on comment section as well, or you can also send the message on Facebook if you have any problem from this video or downloading the theme files and any confusion. You can also ask in comments as well. Make sure you have guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Coding with Vakar and hit the like and bell icon button so you guys can receive notification of my upcoming videos on WordPress tutorial and mobile application development as well.